Alright, so we're doing a smoke test on a 98 Jeep Sahara, straight 6. I've been dealing with this idle problem, 1500 RPMs, dicking around. I found a video about some double washers on the intake on the arm right in this location here. Alright, so I did the double washers, but I still got a problem. It did help the problem, but it didn't fix it. After doing this nice little makeshift smoke thing that we got, air compressor, yeah, it's beautiful. We got us a nice little cigar on the inside, hooked up, canister, and I just plugged it directly up here into the main vacuum line hookup on the block here, and you can see it might be kind of hard with the light on the video, but I've got smoke coming out way back here. I don't know if you can see it or not. See this flashlight. Let's see if I can change the angle. Look at here. See, and you can see the smoke, but you can't hardly see it on the video. At any rate, if you look right down there, you'll see. Oh, there you go. There you go, people. I found my vacuum leak. It's been killing me for like a month and a half now. Smoke test. Makeshift can. Works like a champ. Black and mild. Oh, I love them. Have a good one, people. Thank you.